Alright, what's going on, guys? It's iNandoTV back with another video. I'm back with another video, and this is going to be just a quick video talking about what the best feature, I can't get any closer because I'm in the car, of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is. And that is, by far, without a shadow of a doubt, the battery life. Are you surprised, though? Are you surprised? You shouldn't be. I'm going to show you guys real quick. There's a polar vortex going around, so I'm kind of about to die because I'm doing this video outside in the car. Let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. My phone right now, you see this? 64%. 64%. The phone estimates that I have 18 hours and it keeps going up. 18 hours and 30 minutes of battery life left. I have used this phone today, waking up at 8:30 in the morning, till now at 7:37 p.m. through a full work day. My phone is at 64%. If I go to battery usage, if I go to hardware, then screen, I have now used this phone for 2 hours and 59 minutes and 14 seconds of screen on time. By the time I have finished this video, I have used this phone for over 3 hours of screen on time, and I'm not even at 50% battery life. That is by far, without a doubt, the best feature of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Other than the fact that it also charges stupid buku fast. Buku fast.